Hey, baby girl. So it's been 3 weeks since we got this puppy.
Yeah, isn't she cool? Isn't she cute?
It's a girl. We name her Mamita.
Well, she woke up.
You're tickling her. Feel her like she's a newborn baby.
Yeah. And she's so small that I can't even find her everywhere around the house. I've been looking all over the house, and then when I do not find her, I go like this. Aha! Nope.
Happy Thanksgiving. Oh. No, go there. Happy Thanksgiving, y'all. Especially to David Archuleta, Nick Carter, Zac Efron, Grant Gustin, Jesse McCartney, Thomas Decker, and all you animal lovers out there. I'm gonna go see the Backstreet Boys next September. Saturday, September 14, 2019. So, everyone is out doing Black Friday shopping. Isn't she cutie? She's beautiful. I want to name her Princess, but no, they want to name her Mamita. Good night, guys. Happy Thanksgiving. Much love to y'all.